Hey guys, we are back working on my 1953 Ford F100. We have this gaping hole in the lower A-pillar on the driver's side that needs to get turned back into something functional. Follow along while we start building the parts to make that happen. Thanks for watching. Back when I first moved into this house, there was a number of shelving units here in the garage that were set up to take paint cans or whatever. They don't really provide enough storage for the amount of wall space that they take up, so they're not really useful to me. I was going to put them up on Marketplace and see if somebody wanted to buy them from me, but I started looking at the metal that they're made out of and how much I'd get for them if I were to sell them. And they're worth a lot more to me as scrap metal than they are as shelves to anybody else. This is what we're going to use to make a bunch of the patches. Let's get started on building our first piece. We made this template in the last video off of that crusty piece of metal. And now we need to start cutting it out and turning it into something. I think I'm going to start cutting with an angle grinder here, and we'll see how it's going to turn out. I don't have one of those fancy Beverly shears or a sheet metal shear or anything like that, but we can make do with hand tools. Got our piece cut out, kind of marked up the back a little bit with the angle grinder, but not a big deal. This isn't a cosmetically appearing piece anyways. That looks about right. We use a straight edge instead of running down the side of the piece because it's pretty rough. So this is the piece that we're going to bend here right now. I'm not sure if that's been bent going over a log or a rock or something, or whether that's legitimately supposed to be at a 90-degree angle and going flat as it goes under this groove. We'll have to play with that as we develop the part. But for now, let's bend it to 90 degrees, and we'll just use the bench vise as a brake. Looks like a reasonably good start. Throw a couple of magnets on there. Kind of like that. And we've got to bend that away from us. This is kind of where having some sort of anvil set up would be nice. We'll start with the vise. Piece doesn't fit in the shrinking die very well, so let's try and use the hammer here, and we'll see if we can shape things a little bit. Kind of sort of what we need. This could use a little bit more tweaking, but that is not our next item on the list. We need to get the markings on the back for this channel that starts in this piece and runs the length of it, and then runs the length of the rocker panel. Something like that. Well guys, I kind of got something banged in here. Is it perfect? No. This top tab was totally messing me up. Why won't that fit? Why won't that fit? Then I remembered the cab is still sitting low in this corner. This whole corner has got to go up. I would say probably about a ½ inch. If we move everything up ½ inch, this tab will sit nicely over top of this cab support. And that should be good. Probably, I'm going to guess that this tab needs to get bent down a little bit. It's kind of sitting like this. Probably needs to get bent down straight. And the top of this ties into the top of this, you know, ish, not too bad. This height matches the piece we took out, again, ish, because it rots off back this far. So, you know, how high it needs to come up, I don't know. But that is certainly progress. I think we've got something that's going to be a good start. Lots of tapping going on that, but it's come together. I think I'm going to try and tweak it a little bit more, maybe try and lift this cab just a little bit, and we'll see if we can get it sitting more where it needs to be, almost to the point where it's ready to tack in place, other than we don't have anything to tack it to. But at least it's a start. Let me make some more adjustments. I'll bring you guys back and we'll see how it looks. Well guys, I think this has turned out pretty decent, all things considered. Not the greatest lighting because my rechargeable light died, but you get the idea. We've got a piece of sheet metal in there that we can kind of build off of. The next item that we've got is, you can see the front of it here. It's a kind of a triangular brace. It goes up into the floor and along the side. You can see the twin to it over there, and that ties down. This piece here is part of it. Ties in between the inner fender and the cab floor. So we'll have to drill all of that out and start rebuilding that. But I think that's going to be for its own video. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Short one today, I think. We'll see how long it is when it gets edited. If you got this far in the video, give me one of those thumbs up, give me a like. If you haven't already done so, consider subscribing to the channel. Love to have you come back. And we'll catch you guys in the next mess. Thanks for watching.